Hello everyone, I'm Alianza, your health informer. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this channel guys, we are talking more about health tips and health benefits. So today's video, we will talk about the secrets to become a healthy person. Pero bago natin umpisahan ang topic na yan, kung bago pa kayo dito sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bells para updated naman kayo lagi kung mayroon akong bagong upload na video. Let's go na guys! Umpisahan na natin ang topic na ito. What is the secrets of a healthy person? Being healthy is not just a physical fitness, but encompasses mental and emotional well-being. So, are you ready to live a healthier life? Well, there is a 7 habits to become a healthy person. So, ready na ba kayong i-reveal ko ang 7 habits to become a healthy person? 1 is hydrate. Of course, water is the 1K to hydrate our body. Water is absolutely essential for a healthy life. It affects your body function from your heart to our muscles and even your brain. Water helps you feel better. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Hydration aids in digestion, nutrients absorption, and maintaining energy levels. And the second one, guys, is move. So you have to move. Consistent of exercise is a key to a healthy person. According to Dr. Kenneth H. Cooper, by exercising 30 minutes a day for 1 week can reduce the rest of diseases like heart disease, diabetes, mixed with cardio training, strength training, and flexibility exercise like walking, cycling, swimming, or yoga. Eat clean protein. That is the third secret of a healthy person. Fish and chicken are your best sources for lean protein with less saturated fat. Include with a variety of protein sources like beans, legumes, and tofu. Lean protein helps build and repair tissues, supports immune function, and provides sustained energy. Number 4 for our 7 habits to become a healthy person. So, eat natural foods. Focus in natural foods, not the processed foods. You will get more fiber, vitamins, and nutrients from whole foods. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains. Preparing meals at home is good because you are the controller the ingredients and portion sizes to promote a healthier eating habit. So, mas maganda yung tayo ang mag-prepare ng kakainin natin. The 5th of 7 habits to become a healthier person is sleep. The power of sleep for regeneration and recovery from a workout or illness. Lack of sleep affects our mood and can lead to overeating. Also, if we are tired, kung wala kang tulog, iisip mo ay pagkain. We should sleep 7 to 8 hours each night. So you should establish a regular sleep schedule and restful environment and practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation and deep breathing. Nakakatulong yan paano ka makatulog. 7 habits to become a healthy person. The number 6, guys, for 7 habits is gain an outlet. Stress seems to be a normal part of our life, but learning to manage our stress can help you live longer, healthier life. Look for activities that are relaxing, enjoyable, and allow you to a creative side, like your hobbies, painting, gardening, or reading, or cleaning. By these activities can reduce stress level and improve mental health. The 7 habits, guys, is have a purpose. Always find a ways to be working toward a cause bigger than yourself. By investing time to others, we are not meant to live alone or isolated. We had a purpose to help us maintain our independence and freedom. as well as our skills and memory. Engage in community activities to engage them and help them learning opportunities to stay connected and motivated. So, yan ay nakakatulong din to live a happy and healthier life. Living a healthy life takes dedication and discipline. Embrace these habits one step at a time and you'll be on your way to a more vibrant and fulfilling life. Hanggang dito na lang tayo guys sa topic natin. Pangalagaan lagi natin guys ang health natin kasi yan lang ang tanging kayamanan na bigay ni God sa atin. So remember guys, health is wealth. Kung bago pa kayo dito guys sa channel ko, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at pindutin ang notification bell dyan sa baba para updated kayo lagi kung mayroon akong upload na bagong video. Sana may nakuha kayong aral dito sa topic natin. Makatulong sana kung paano tayo maging healthy person. At kung may gusto kayong itanong sa akin tungkol dyan sa topic na ito, just comment below at sasagutin ko kayo sa abot ng makakaya ko. Bye guys and God bless us. Thank you for watching!